Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when version 24H2 is not installing on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this, open Windows settings and then go to system and then scroll down, click on troubleshoot over here. You will see other troubleshooter, click on it, and then you will see Windows update, click on run and let the troubleshoot complete. Now once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer, but let it complete first and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can try to update your Windows 11. Still not working, restart Windows Update and background intelligent transfer service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down at the bottom. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now with Windows Update selected, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. So here you can see background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now make a right click on background intelligent transfer service and then click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website you will see Windows 11 installation assistant. Now click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now you will see this screen. Now click on accept and install and let the download and install complete. This process will take some time, and once this is complete, you can restart your computer and you should be able to update your Windows 11 to version 24H2. But still not working, in that case you can reset Windows Update components. Now for this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description, so copy till here and then open Notepad on your computer. Now once you open Notepad, paste all the command over here and then go to file and then click on save as. You can set the location as desktop and then name this file as wuauserv.bat and then select all files as save as type and then click on save. Now once done, you can go to desktop and then here you can see wuauserv file. Make a right click and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and let the process complete. Now first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run couple of scans. So this process will take some time, and once all the scans are complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services and then this window will close, or you can close this window once the process is complete and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can open Windows settings and then you can click on check for update and then you can update version 24H2. Now still you are unable to install. In that case, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11.
Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to download and install 24H2 version successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.